Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Tintin. Today, we're going to talk about something very important in the cruise ship hiring process, the background check. Many applicants don't realize how big of a role this plays in getting hired, so let's break it down. You know, when I was just starting and applying for cruise ship jobs, things were very different. Back then, we didn't have any online system or what you call BGC or background checks like today. What we usually did was go directly to the agency, line up early in the morning, report in person, and submit the requirements we had accomplished one by one. Everything was manual, face-to-face, and paper-based. But today, the process is much stricter and more digital. Cruise lines and agency now do official background checks to verify your history before you even step on board. That's what I'll explain in this video, how background checks work and why they matter in your cruise ship application. First, what is background check? It's a process where the cruise line or manning agency verifies your personal, educational, and work history to make sure you're qualified and trustworthy as a crew member. What does a background check usually include? First, criminal record check. They check if you have any pending cases or criminal history. Passenger and crew safety is a top priority. Second, employment verification. They confirm if the work experience listed on your resume is real and accurate. So never fake your job history. Third, educational verification. If the position requires certain courses or diplomas, they will check if you truly earned them. Fourth, reference check. They may contact your references to ask about your work performance and attitude. Fifth, medical and training certificate. They verify if your certificate like basic safety training, seaman's book, and medical exam are valid and up to date. Why is a background check important? To protect the company and passengers, to ensure that you are capable of performing your duties and responsibility, to confirm that you are honest and trustworthy. Tips to pass the background check. Be honest. Never lie or hide details in your application. Keep your documents updated. Make sure all training and medical certificates are complete and valid. Choose good references. Pick people who can truly speak about your work ethic and professionalism. And last, maintain a clean record. Avoid anything that can damage your credibility. So there you have it. Background checks are a crucial step in the cruise ship application process. Remember, cruise line don't just look at your skills. They also value your character and integrity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cruise ship job tips. Thanks for watching.